keep me rolling. They hating.
Guys, I'm back with my Gina. Look over here. Smile.
The motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Put them on.
Oh my god.
Hell no, man.
How old are you?
Hey, 4.
How much you're 4, not 5.
Come on, where's the candle at? Where's the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charles.
Blow.
Go, go, go.
Charles, blow it. Blow it. Hey, his jelly is right there.
That's your teeth?
Yeah,
Whose tooth is that? That's not yours.
that's T-Rex.
Is a T-Rex tooth? Come here, over here. Let's make a cake. Say hi to the video. They can't see you. You're too short. Leo, do you remember we made a cake when you were like a year old? Do you remember making that cake?
Yeah.
Do you? What cake did we make?
A chocolate.
No.
What do you mean? No.
You didn't make a cake, only Leo. Leo was like this big and he made a cake with me. You don't like this cake?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna make it?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we need?
We need eggs, we need that. We need eggs, we need that.
Look, you guys like chocolate? Do you know why we're making a cake?
Yeah.
Who's barking?
Your dog.
What's his name?
I know his name.
You don't know his name? Starts with a J.
He say,
Jase.
just, I'll touch him.
Later, let's make a cake. Leo, come here!
Leo.
Everyone wash your hands. Come here.
We're making tea. Oh, it's apple.
Apple. Here, let me wash it.
Okay. This have worms. This have worms.
The apples have worms? Where'd you see that? Okay.
Mama. Mom. We need worms.
Whose birthday is it?
Hmm.
Let me think. Whose birthday is it?
You?
Yeah!
The birthday.
It's my birthday?
Yeah.
Oh my god. How old am I turning?
3.
3?
Yeah.
I'm turning 3?
Yeah. It's 3.
I'm 3. Okay, I'm turning 3 years old. So I decided to make a cake with these 2 boys.
What's stupid in? What is
It's a squirrel.
cereal?
So we're making a yellow cake and we're gonna decorate it with frosting. I brought green frosting and I brought chocolate frosting and we're gonna make a Shrek cake. You know who Shrek is?
Sweat.
Do you know who Shrek is?
And a cake.
You know who that is?
It's sweat.
That's Shrek. We're gonna make a cake like him. You wanna make a cake about him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
I like sweat.
You wanna go get the eggs from the fridge?
In the fridge.
2 hands. Don't drop them. Put them on the counter. When Leo was like 1 year old, I made a video with him doing a cake. And Leo was like 3.
What is Phoebe? I have big head.
What?
I have big head.
What?
I have big head. What do you mean? I have big head.
Oh, he's saying he has a big head. Let me see. Where's your head? Oh my god, you have a big head. Leo, go. Leo, go. Let me see your head. Oh my goodness, you guys have big heads. Where are you going? Oh, parkour? Do you know how to crack an egg?
I'm super strong.
You're super strong?
Yeah.
Who wants to go first?
Me.
Don't make a mess. Go. Let me fix this real quick.
I wash my hands.
Okay, you ready, Chinese?
Yeah.
Don't make a mess, okay? Okay.
Oh, I feel it.
Oh, it's okay. We'll figure it out. It's fine. Okay.
Good job. Use eggs.
There you go. Oh, you're gonna look. See, and then the shells, they go out. They don't go in the cake, okay? Now we're gonna do oil.
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 I'm so strong.
You're super strong?
Yeah.
Show the camera you're strong. Say, I'm super strong.
I'm so strong.
You wanna pour it?
Yeah, it's my turn.
Don't make a mess. Hold it with both hands. Okay. Perfect.
I'm so strong.
You're super strong.
Yeah. I was swimming like turtle.
You're swimming like a turtle?
Yeah. Now. Mama.
You're doing flips over here?
Look at another dress.
I have 2 trashes.
Yeah.
You're gonna put it in? You wanna do it?
Yeah.
You wanna see you when you're little? Come sit. It's baby you. Ah! Ah! You can't turn on my lights? Here. I'm going to the store so I have to get ready. Bye.
He was sweet. It's you, Bobby.
Say what's up? Okay. Let go. Let go. Look at you. Let go of it. You're not a dog. What's up? Right here.
In the mouth.
You're eating a balloon.
Yeah.
Or a baby cake. You can't swallow it though, okay? Okay. No. Look. Leo, look. Look at Leo. He was your size, Chinese. Okay, look. He's a baby. You gonna open it? Are you a baby? Why not?
Yeah, what's
You're a baby?
Yeah.
Why not?
That's tiny.
Look.
That's a bigger.
Leo. Look.
Okay.
Look
Oh,
at
no,
I did a bubble? Look,
Yeah.
pour it. Look. It's okay. Look, it goes away.
You're fucking lying. Let me see.
Out there in your head.
Your hand went up? What?
Marciano. No, Marciano.
We're done watching that video. What do you have to say to your younger self? It's a microphone. What do you want to say to your younger self?
Like a cake.
Make a cake. What do you want to say to Leo, younger self?
Cease.
Ceased.
Tell
Tell him we'll see you when we decorate the cake.
Decorate the cake.
If you see the tripod setup, you guys are starting already.
She stole my thing.
You are fine.
How the fuck
What do I start with? Do I
Just stick a hole in it. That's what I did.
I'm about to put in work right now. Oh my god, my back hurts so bad.
And then silence.
I feel like you're a pumpkin.
I'm gonna chop my fucking finger off.
I'm scared of being next to Carly.
I'm scared of just doing this in general.
My hair color.
They're open.
Okay, how is this gonna help me
Yeah,
scoop?
because the stem hurts.
I don't know.
Y'all see this? Like there's no spikies on it or nothing. My right hand is gonna be so buff after this. Oh, there it goes. Kind
I
of.
did it. God. Oh wow.
We're all waiting for Carly to finish.
Okay, mine is so much thicker than everyone's. This is unfair.
Let me see them.
So they're a tripping hazard. That's good. This is so.
Whose is this? Is this Caroline's?
Yeah.
Caroline's?
We need a better spot for this.
Move
Maybe put it
your
there.
feet. Move your size 10 feet. There's Caroline's.
We'll find it.
Here's Alana's.
Just go straight.
This is Carly's. And here's mine. So cute. Okay.
that was only a mess around you.
What? What are you talking about? There's a mess everywhere. Oh, those were for my seat. Is that a turtle?
Lasso.
Draws.
Alexa.
Boyfriend. Prince.
Oh my god, I'm gonna enjoy drawing.
Love.
What are they?
A couple.
Yes.
That's what it is? Actually, let me
Why'd
see.
you make them ducks?
Shut up, Lana, please.
Where is it?
Everyone act normal.
Did you throw it in?
Yeah.
Alana is off her meds. In case people couldn't tell, she's not on them.
Okay, ready?
Viv's drawing. Viv's drawing.
I already messed up.
Wait, where's makeup? What? Titty. Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing.
Florida.
A giraffe.
Animal.
Loki looked good.
A horse.
Cow.
Dog.
Llama.
Alpaca.
Oh, I messed up. Hold on.
Animals. Zoo.
kiss begins with
Dinosaur.
Cow.
Yeah.
Is a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, bitch.
Come on, let me
Language.
Sorry. This is a Christian house. I forgot.
How does this work?
So we go.
Don't let it squirt on me.
We go spin.
No, wait, I'm scared.
I got 2, so I go 2.
I could not.
camera's gonna get wet.
I'm going now.
Oh shit. It's not that.
Look how Carly's sitting. Go.
Your turn, gal.
I'm gonna have 5 or some shit.
The highest it goes is 3.
I got 3.
Hold on.
Go 3.
Go on.
Get in there. Get close and personal.
I'm scared.
Ready? I was like, are you not gonna do it?
Not tongue. Yeah,
I'm
fine.
so scared.
Sorry.
Bro.
Go.
Feel like your dad's calling you.
Okay, give me another one. Give me my phone one.
No, it's gonna get on me now.
Camera, I won't.
1.
Look at you. How quiet does it go? I didn't even see it.
my chin.
It's probably is gonna begin at Disney. Here, I'll flush it if you want.
She